Rebound 19. Ayan na siya. My favorite player, number 7, RR. 2 points. Rebound 23. RR, number 7, reverse foul. 2 points. Takbong mayaman. RR. Perimeter shot. 2 points. Sorok naman. Ay, wala mo ba? RR. 2 points. RR. Right. Number 19. Short. Oy, RR, napagkaan ng bola. 2 points.
Isa na lang. Ayan na lang.
RR. Oy. RR. 15. 2 points.
Yun talaga yung...
Patirahin mo si Gold, ba? Patirahin mo.
RR. 3. Rebound, 0-0. Sino ka? RR. 2 points. RR. Oh, nice break! 2 points!